Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to create a new Trello workspace. Trello is a simple and powerful tool for managing projects and collaborating with your team. Creating a workspace is the first step towards setting up an organized system. Let me walk you through the process. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for this tutorial, I'll assume you already have one. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select the option that says Create Workspace. This will take you to a setup page. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your workspace. Choose something clear and descriptive so that you and your team can easily recognize it later. A good name saves time and avoids confusion. Next, choose the type of workspace you want. Trello gives you options like personal, team, or business. Pick the one that best fits how you plan to use Trello. You'll also see an option to add a description. This step is optional, but it's very useful. A short description gives your team context about the purpose of the workspace and helps everyone stay aligned. Once you've entered the details, click Continue. Trello will now create your new workspace. Your workspace is ready, but you can also invite others to join. To do this, type in their email addresses or share the invite link with them. This makes it easy to bring your teammates on board quickly. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.